Mga totoong balita tungkol sa kampanya ni Duterte Cayetano na hindi pinapalabas sa mga TV network. Ito ang Daily Campaign.
Magandang araw po, mga kababayan ko. As a freedom-loving Filipino, I've decided to rise and defend democracy once more. Ninoy came home ready to give his life for God, the country, and the Filipino people. Cory, 1986, became president so that democracy may live and flourish. In the light of all these fears of disenfranchisement and massive fraud, I call on our people to be vigilant and faithful to the ideals of freedom and democracy for which many of us fought hard for. Let not even the President, the son of Ninoy and Cory, threaten us by using his public office to extinguish the legacy of his parents, which they bequeathed to the Filipino people, that of fair, free, and credible elections. His recent pronouncements have become a betrayal for all the sacrifices of his father and mother. Duterte is not the threat to democracy. It is this administration's insensitivity to our people's plight and yearning for a decent and peaceful life which has caused this irreversible tide of compulsion for real and meaningful reforms. Let us fight for the universal human rights of suffrage. Let no one trample on this right. Ako po si Piping Cojuangco. Inuulit ko po, Duterte is not a threat to our democracy. Maraming salamat po.
The Daily Campaign is a Duterte Cayetano online newscast run by volunteers.
Ito ba ang gusto ninyo?
Droga?